to Wacomico Public Library, Center Branch. Today we're going to do arts and crafts Mother Day cards. You can do the cards with your kids. For older people, you can do them for yourself to give to a mother, grandmother, aunt, anyone you so desire to give it to. They're very basic and easy. If you're going to do it with kids, always remember to put newspaper down to protect your surface of where you're going to be working. You're going to need glue, preferably some craft glue, because if you use sticky, the stick glue, Elmer's glue, it normally doesn't hold the project too well. So if you can get some craft glue, get you some craft glue. So in your bag, this is actually how the Mother's Day card look when you go on the inside. There will be a white part that you can glue right here where the child or whoever's going to be writing the message to can write on that white piece of paper, and then you glue it on there. Let them write on the paper first, then glue it on. So in the bag you will have the insert, which is your card. It's already ready for you to just fold. You're going to have your envelope, because it does come with an envelope. The envelope is simple. And I'm going to glue this down. And there's your envelope. Again, basically you're going to dump your things out of your bag and try to just looking at your picture that's going to be on your bag, and just try to put your pieces together. You're going to have several different flowers pieces, and we're not going to kind of glue those together, because you can allow the child or the person that's going to be preparing the card to kind of make their own decorations around the bottom. Let them be innovative or creative, because it is their card that they're going to be giving to their significant loved one, their mother, or whoever it is. So basically we're going to just work on this top part so that you know how to line these pieces up. So the first piece we're going to take is this piece. And if you notice down here, it ends with the M, the O, and the N. You basically want to glue it kind of like not in the center, but kind of like that. Okay? You're going to take all of your pink letters and glue them as so. Then you're going to take this beige and put over top of this pink U. This bottom piece down here, you basically can put it at the end, as so. I'm going to glue it, and you're just going to put that over there. Okay? Now, you don't necessarily have to design your card as if I did. If you're working with your children to let them do the card for their mother, kind of let them, decide how they want to, do the card. They do not necessarily need to put this piece on it. This piece is a guideline to set up the letters. If they choose not to and just want to put the love you mom, that's fine. Kind of just let them, decorate the card, because kids usually take a lot of pride in their work that they do when they're giving it to someone. So I personally would suggest that you kind of let them design the way they want, how they want their flowers to set. They might want their flowers up here. They might want a flower in the inside, since the writing part is going to be on this side. they might want to put just little flowers around. Kids usually get creative. I would suggest that you kind of let them do the project as they want to, because it makes them feel, that they did it for their mother. You all have a great Mother's Day. Enjoy working on this project with your children, or your young children, or your adult children. And happy Mother's Day.